Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on Honda Civic 2007 model. This is the 8th generation Honda Civic with the 2.2 ctdi diesel engine. The car is suffering from poor acceleration, rough idling. The consumption is really bad. The culprit in this case is the map sensor. That is the manifold absolute pressure sensor. That's what causes the rough idling, lack of power, poor acceleration, and also the engine management light appears on the dash. So if you do the diagnostic, the machine is going to throw out the fault codes which are P0105, P0106, P0107 and P0108. In some cases you'll also get P0109. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the engine cover, which is secured by 4 10mm nuts. Just gonna take the cover off. Map sensor is just here. It's secured by one 10mm bolt. So before we remove this bolt, we're gonna take the connector off like this. There we go. So just gonna wiggle it and pull it off. So that's what we're gonna clean. Right, so the best product to clean the sensors is electrical contact cleaner. So just gonna put the sensor here inside the container and give it a good spray. There we go. This is the dirt we have collected by cleaning it. It's quite dirty. So we're gonna wait for the sensor to dry. So now that the sensor is fully dried, we're also gonna spray a little bit contact cleaner in there as well. So just gonna place the sensor back in here like this. 10mm bolt. There we go. That's that up. Just gonna spray a little bit contact cleaner on the connector here. Again, let it dry up a bit. Once dried, you can just push it back in like this. There we go. Hear the click. Just gonna put the cover back on. Four nuts to secure it. There we go friends, job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.